Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In our last video, we talked about the if-else statement and went over their syntax. Today I am going to dive into some code examples to help you understand how if-else work in action. So let's get started. Alright, so we have a compiler opened. Now I'm going to run some codes to see how this works in practice. Our first example is going to be a simple code that checks if a number is positive or negative. So let's write the code together. Here we have declared an integer variable. Let's assign it a value of 7. Now we use the if-else statement to check if the number is greater than 0. If it is, then it will print the number is positive. Else if the number is lesser than 0, it will print that the number is negative. And if both conditions doesn't match, it will execute the else body which says that the number is equal to 0. So let's try to run it. So as you can see, since 7 is greater than 0, the output is the number is positive. Now let's move on to our next example. Now let's consider a scenario where we want to evaluate students' grade based on their score. So here's the code. In this example, we used multiple else if statement to check the score against various ranges. The first condition to be true will be executed. If no condition is true, then the code inside the else body will be executed. So let's run it and see the output. Since the value of score is 75, it satisfies our condition score is greater than equal to 70. Therefore, the code associated with it executes, printing your grade is B. And that's it for today's video on if-else statement. We explored how to use if-else statements to make decisions in programming and examined some examples. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding the power of if-else statement. Remember, practice is the key to master any programming concept. Feel free to experiment with different scenarios and conditions to strengthen your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of the future updates. Share it with your friends who are eager to learn programming. And as always, if you have any queries, please leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy coding.